110 words per minute for 3 minutes start. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that appeal of respondent is time barred, but no finding in this regard is available in the impugned judgment. Full stop. On merits, he appraised that the suit was originally against grandfather and after his death, the paternal uncle was substituted as defendant. Full stop. The claim of maintenance allowance is based on section of Mohammedan law, and the petitioner claimed herself to be a poor distant relative who would get inheritance from the property of paternal uncle received by him as a consequence of death of his father and petitioner's grandfather. Full stop. Also submits that grandfather had inherited some property on death of petitioner's father, which has further operative part of the appellate court judgment deciding the legal question is reproduced here under. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner is asked whether section 373 of Mohammedan law is a statutory provision. The answer is in negative. Full stop. He is also asked to produce any judgment where decree of maintenance against the distant relative is issued on the basis of section 373. He could not produce. Full stop. Without prejudice to the legal position implied in this court's opinion, the findings given by the appellate court are factual and based on the section 373 holding that condition of this section of the textbook are not met. Full stop. The petitioner could not establish before the appellate court that she would get inheritance from the estate of her respondent paternal uncle on his death. Full stop. The appellate court also determined that the petitioner could not prove herself to be poor distant relative. Full stop. The reason for claiming maintenance from grandfather in absence of father are on different premises, whereas claim of maintenance from a relative under section 373 and different principles of Islamic jurisprudence. Full stop. In this court's opinion, if suit was filed to claim maintenance from grandfather after death of father, the paternal uncle could not have been replaced as defendant in the shoes of grandfather. Full stop. No case for interference is made out, therefore the petition is dismissed. Full stop. The end.